Wow, look at this. This looks like the real fire and the charcoal imitation.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to one of the biggest furniture markets in Guangdong. So you wanna purchase some fabulous goods, you can come here or contact us. So let's see what we got.
Now we come to the simulated fireplace area, where we can see various kinds of simulated fireplaces. They look very creative and atmospheric, with a wide range of styles. Look at this. They are so good. Now the salesperson is demonstrating how this automating stimulated fireplace works. Information such as price that everyone wanna know is displayed on the screen. Let's see, it's so interesting right now. And it looks like the real.